A leading European producer of fireplace inserts and stoves introduces a fireplate insert with bent glass. The fireplace door is made from a special rigid profile, which, in combination with precisely lined sealing, guarantees perfect function even in the most demanding of conditions. The mechanism for lifting the door is ensured by the innovative silent lift system. Thanks to this, customers can enjoy quiet and smooth running of the door for the whole product lifetime. Bent glass features design printing to elegantly and tastefully fit in with even the most modern rooms. The combustion chamber, lined with fire clay bricks, guarantees that the chamber remains in excellent condition over many long years of use. The adjustable feet of the Heat Series fireplace inserts can be screwed out by up to 50 millimeters. To facilitate operation of the fireplace, primary and secondary air are controlled with a single element. All fireplace inserts in the Heat Series are fitted with a central air intake, through which primary, combustion air flows, as well as secondary air, which washes the door glass and keeps it constantly clean. For the most ideal flue gas trajectory, all heat fireplaces use the double-spin patented system, which results in maximum cleanliness and ecological combustion. To increase accumulation, it is possible to fit a mammoth accumulation ring onto the throat of the fireplace. Thanks to the sophisticated technology and simple and clean design, the fireplace insert Heat is a great choice for all residential and commercial space. For further information, please visit www.romotop.com or contact our authorized dealers.